Want to naturally control pests in your garden while enjoying the sights and sounds of beautiful birds? You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the top flowers to plant to attract bug-eating birds and what else you need to make your yard a paradise for these natural pest controllers. Bug-eating birds are a gardener's best friend. They help keep insect populations under control without the need for harmful pesticides. Let's explore the flowers that will bring these helpful birds right to your backyard. Unwanted pests from your garden. Now that you know what to plant, let's talk about the birds that will show up to feast on those pests. Eastern bluebird, Cialia cialis, a striking blue and rust-colored bird that hunts for insects in open meadows and gardens. Most active during spring and summer mornings. Carolina chickadee, Poecilia carolinensis, a small black-capped bird that gleans insects off leaves and twigs. Active year-round, particularly in early morning. American robin, Turdus migratorius, a familiar orange-breasted bird that hunts for worms and beetles, especially in the morning. Most active in spring and summer. Barn swallow, Hirundo rustica, a sleek, blue-backed bird that catches flying insects in midair. Active during daylight hours and warm seasons. Northern mockingbird, Mimus polyglottos, this grayish bird with white wing patches eats beetles, ants, and grasshoppers. Most active at dawn and dusk. Downy woodpecker, Picoides pubescens, a black and white bird that pecks at tree bark to find insects and larvae. Active year-round, especially in the morning. Black-capped warbler, Setophaga striata, a small, energetic bird that eats caterpillars and other insects. Migratory, most common in spring and summer. Eastern phoebe, Sciornis phoebe, a grayish-brown bird that perches and swoops to catch insects mid-flight, active in spring and summer. House wren, Troglodytes adon, a tiny brown bird that hunts spiders, beetles, and caterpillars. Most active in the morning and evening. Common nighthawk, Chordales minor, a nocturnal insect eater that catches moths and beetles in flight. Most active at dusk and during summer nights. Flowers are just the beginning. To truly attract these helpful birds, consider these additional essentials. Water sources, bird baths, fountains, or small ponds provide a place for birds to drink and bathe. Shrubs and trees offer shelter, nesting sites, and additional foraging spots. Birdhouses provide nesting places for species like bluebirds and wrens. Avoid pesticides. Let nature do the work. Pesticides kill the insects that birds rely on for food. Mulch and leaf litter. Many insects thrive in natural ground cover, providing even more food for birds. By planting the right flowers and providing food, water, and shelter, you'll create a haven for bug-eating birds and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant garden in return. So, which flowers will you plant first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bird-friendly gardening tips.